For years, they called it a myth. They said a $25,000 Tesla was impossible. They said Elon Musk had abandoned the masses to build Cybertrucks for Mars. They were wrong. The car you see on your screen is not just another EV. It is the end of the steering wheel as we know it. This is the 2026 Tesla Cybercab, also known as the Model 2. It has no pedals, it has no mirrors, and it costs less than a Toyota Corolla. But is this the affordable car we were promised, or a dystopian robot that owns you? Today, we unlock the future of Tesla. Welcome to New Car. Let's clear up the biggest confusion right now. Is it a car you drive, or a car that drives you? The answer is complicated. Reports confirm Tesla is splitting its strategy into two distinct paths. First, there's the Cybercab, Robotaxi. This is the fully autonomous, two-seater vehicle revealed by Elon Musk. It has butterfly doors, no rear window, and absolutely no controls for a human driver. It's built for the Robotaxi network, where you summon it like an Uber, but nobody is driving. Second, leaks suggest a Model 2, steerable version, is still in play for 2026. This version will have a steering wheel and pedals. It looks like a shrunken, sportier Model Y, a compact hatchback designed to crush the VW Golf and BYD Dolphin. It shares the same Unboxed platform as the Cybercab to keep costs insanely low, but it lets you be the captain. How is Tesla making this car so cheap? It's all about the Unboxed manufacturing process. Instead of building a car like a sandwich, bottom up, they build separate sections independently and snap them together at the end. This cuts production costs by 50% and factory footprint by 40%. The specs? Expect a roughly 53 kilowatt-hour LFP battery pack in the base model. That sounds small, but because this car is significantly lighter than a Model 3, it should still deliver a range of around 250 to 300 miles, 400 to 480 kilometers. It won't be a plaid speed monster, with 0 to 60 likely in the 6-second range, but that's plenty for a city commuter. And yes, it will run on the latest HW5 computer, making it smarter than any other car on the road today. Visually, the Cybercab is a mini Cybertruck mixed with a Model 3. It features a continuous LED light bar across the front and a sharp angular rear end. It looks futuristic, weird, and undeniably Tesla. The interior is minimalism taken to the extreme. In the Robotaxi version, there is just a massive center screen and 2 seats. No dashboard, no glove box, just space. The Model 2 version will likely add a steering wheel and a more traditional layout, but don't expect luxury materials. Hard plastics and recycled fabrics will be the norm to hit that $25,000 price target. Here is the timeline. Elon Musk says the Cybercab goes into production in 2026. The steerable Model 2 should follow closely, or potentially launch alongside it depending on regulatory approval for autonomous driving. The price? The target is officially under $30,000, with some rumors even suggesting a stripped-down version could hit $25,000 before incentives. If the federal tax credit still exists, you could be picking up a brand new Tesla for under $20,000. That is game over for the legacy auto industry. The 2026 Tesla Model 2/Cybercab is the most important car of the decade. It's not about 0 to 60 times anymore. It's about accessibility. It's about making EVs cheaper than gas cars, once and for all. So here is the question. Would you buy the $25,000 Tesla with a steering wheel? Or would you trust your life to the steering wheel-less Robotaxi? Let me know in the comments below. Team driver or team passenger? Smash that like button if you've been waiting for an affordable Tesla. And subscribe to New Car because next week we are comparing this to the Rivian R3. See you next time.